We got snow. Look, there's another dog over there. Riley's acting tough. And Freddie gets so mad at her. Hi, Freddie! Freddie, hey! He didn't even catch it. And look, she stole it again. Oh, he got it. Good boy. Riley, Riley! Riley! She sounds so vicious. Freddie! He's like, it's snow, finally! It's not gonna last long though. The sun's out. And we just got this in a couple hours last night. But yeah. We're gonna enjoy it while it's here though. It's our second snowfall. Good boy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come, Fred. He's a good boy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot to put him in his cage when I dropped Nova off at school. And I came home, but he was just sitting on the couch. And then I looked at his face and saw evidence that he was digging through the trash. But at least he didn't rip out my couch cushion again, because he's already done that. And I did fix it. But yeah, I couldn't believe I forgot to put him in there. And I thought I was going crazy, like, did I put him in there? Did I forget? But I forgot. Eating the snow, Freddie? Freddie? Dig that snow. Dig that snow, Freddie boy. Freddie? It's all slushy already, yeah. Freddie? Look! Freddie, catch! Silly boy. There goes Riley, still going after her toy. She's trying to rip it to shreds. Want to see that same dog, buddy? I know you want to play with someone. Freddie! Freddie! Catch! Oh, he caught the snowball. Here, Freddie! 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 Freddie, look! Freddie, come on! Alright, my hand's getting cold. Watch, I'm gonna kick the snowball. Ready? Ready? What's left of it? Ready? Look at it! Look, he's still got it. Look, he's got it in his mouth. Good boy! What's left of it? Look at it! Here it is. Look, Freddie! Look at it! Freddie! I know. Freddie! Come on! Come on, Freddie! Look, he thinks I have another ball. Get it! Freddie! 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 He loves catching snow. Oh, more dogs coming to the park to play. I wish I could let him out there in the field and run, but there's too many openings, and that's such a busy street over there. Got what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus this park is open, and then 5. There's another opening over there. So yeah, just to play it safe, we always come inside. We always come inside this enclosed hockey rink to play with the dogs. Just because it keeps everyone safe. Alright guys, Freddie, say see you later. Bye. There's Riley barking at everybody. Freddie got no friends because Riley doesn't like anybody. Alright, bye everyone. There's still snow across the street. But because we get the first morning sun, hey Tally, all the snow's gone. Well, mostly on this side of the street. More snow, we need more snow. Right, Tally, more snow? He didn't even get to play in it. Hopefully we get more snow next time.